In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify Payment Gateway in South Africa. We're going to walk through setting up a manual payment option inside your Shopify store. This is perfect if you want to accept bank transfers, cash on delivery, or any other offline method that suits South African customers. Manual methods don't charge gateway fees and give you flexibility, but remember, you'll confirm payments yourself before fulfilling orders. Start by heading to Shopify.com and logging into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the bottom left and click Settings. This is where all your store's core controls live. From the Settings page, choose Payments. Here you'll see your payment options, including third-party gateways if you use them, as well as manual methods. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Manual Payment Methods. Click Add Manual Payment Method. This opens a panel where you can set up a custom option tailored to how you want to get paid. Next, select Create Custom Payment Method. This lets you name and describe a payment type that will appear at checkout. Enter a clear, customer-friendly name. For example, EFT Bank Transfer, South Africa, or Cash on Delivery. Use wording your customers will instantly understand and keep it consistent with what you advertise on your store. In additional details, explain how this payment works and what customers should expect. You can note your processing times, when you'll ship orders, and any relevant conditions. If it's an EFT, you can tell customers you'll verify funds before dispatch. Avoid sharing sensitive data here, just outline the process in plain language. In payment instructions, guide customers step by step on what to do after placing an order. For an EFT, you might tell them to transfer the total in South African Rand, use the order number as the payment reference, and upload proof of payment via your store's contact page. If you use cash on delivery, explain where it's available and any delivery or ID requirements. Keep the instructions concise, specific, and easy to follow so there's no confusion at checkout. When you're happy with the wording, click Activate. Your new manual payment method will now appear as an option during checkout for customers in your store. A couple of tips as you go: keep your instructions consistent with your shipping and returns policies. Make sure customers know how long you'll hold unpaid orders and be ready to reconcile incoming payments promptly so you can mark orders as paid and fulfill them quickly. That's it. You've set up a manual payment gateway tailored for South Africa inside Shopify.